So today I am back to share a bag that I have received all the way from London. Hey everyone, so this is Sue Mae Everyday and I am Sue Mae. Thank you so much for watching. I typically do videos on everyday things and some luxury items in between, so if that's what you're into, please don't forget to subscribe down below. So like I mentioned in a previous video, my sister-in-law ended up going to Spain and London, and of course naturally I had to send her with a wish list of things that I wanted. For some reason Louis Vuitton is still my go-to. I mean, I did add some items from other brands as well, but for her trip she went with a bunch of people. They didn't really get to do a lot of shopping. She didn't get to do anything in Spain, but she did get something in London for me. I was getting worried a little bit. I didn't think she was gonna come back with anything. So, like the good sister-in-law that she is, she got me something. So this is the first time that she or I have ever purchased anything overseas. So this was quite an experience. And it wasn't too difficult actually, and she was able to pick me up 2 items, a small thing and a big thing. So I'm gonna start off with the little item. So I gave her a pretty extensive list. I wasn't sure if a lot of items were gonna be available, and I didn't know whether or not she would be able to communicate with me like at the time that she was there because of the time difference. So I gave her a list of a ton of items and she just kind of went down the list. A lot of the items they did not have, but they did have this. This was probably for the SLG's 3rd or 4th item down the list. So let's see what I got. That was really slow. So I've been wanting something like this, and I guess, you know, I'm starting off baby steps. So I got the pocket agenda in the monogram. I've been watching so many videos on, I guess, planners, and I think I kind of want a planner, but then I'm like, am I really going to be committed to doing a planner? So I thought, you know what, let me start off with something small that I could slip into like any handbag basically that, you know, isn't so cumbersome, because I do actually have like a little monthly calendar and I have been using that, so that was kind of like my test. So I thought, you know what, let me treat myself to like a nice cover. So it's kind of like the perfect size, I think, for myself, especially just to start off like having an agenda. It has the 3 pockets, it has the 2 slots to slide in, little insert, and I have already been shopping online for the correct size to fit in here, and I already ordered it, so it's on its way. So I'll probably do a separate video on what actually fits in here. Hopefully the item that I ordered fits, but I did watch it from YouTube, so you know, that's a dependable source. So I'm gonna do the breakdown of the pricing after I show the bigger item. Next up, obviously, is a handbag. And same with this, I had a pretty extensive list, and I think this one, I want to say like the 4th or 5th bag down. Yes, they didn't have all the other ones that I wanted, but I did want this item as well. This, I think, probably suits my lifestyle a little bit better. So let's see what I got. So I got the Louis Vuitton South Bank. It's so cute. Why I was so nervous to get this was I thought it was gonna be bigger, and I didn't know whether or not I wanted some like a crossbody so big, but this is actually a really cute size, and I'm so excited. I want to say I feel like it's definitely more casual, but you know, we'll see. Let's see what I could pair it with. I think the selling point for me, look at the little red strap. I mean, it's kind of like the bin strap and then the red on the inside. I thought that was such a cute feature. And then it comes with like the little tassel that's also matching, so the inside is also red. I love this bag. I'll admit, this is not a true unboxing. I have already used it today. I just could not wait, and I loved it. It was so comfortable on. But I'm gonna leave the details of that in, I guess, a separate video when I review it. Let me use it like a little bit more, and then that way I can have like a really honest review. But it is a gorgeous bag. So the interior is also red. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. And I think it's like the perfect size. I mean, this is available online. This is not difficult to get, that I think. Every time I've gone on, which is not as often, but it is always in stock when I do see it. And I'm sure as many of you who have bought luxury items abroad, the pricing is amazing, and I love the fact that I not only got a bag that I really wanted, but the pricing's amazing as well. So let's do the breakdown of the pricing. So I got my trusty notepad that I broke down everything on. Let's start with if I were to buy these two items in the United States. The pocket agenda would be $270, and in the South Bank Bassais would be $1,400. That would be a total of $1,670, and where I am, I would pay about 6% sales tax, so that adds another $100.20. So a grand total in the United States would be $1,770.20. Wow. In London, the pocket agenda would be 175 pounds, and in the South Bank Bassais would be 935 pounds, for a grand total of 1,110 pounds. The tax, I guess, that they charge, I think that also includes like a service fee, was 185 pounds. So that was a grand total of 1,295 pounds. So now I'm going to convert the pounds into dollars. So that 1,295 pounds, that converted to about $1,369.94. You see the price difference already from $1,770 to $1,369. You know, that's a huge savings. But then there's more. You also get the VAT refund, and that came out to $153.86. So the grand total of what I paid for the two items is $1,216.08. All in all, I saved about $554.12 on the two items. So that's about a 31% savings. 31%. Louis Vuitton never discounts. So brand new with the box and everything, 31%. I think that's amazing, and I'm so happy that my sister-in-law was able to trek over there and she lugged the bag back home to me. So I'm really thankful for that. So totally worth it. I mean, obviously, yes, she had to pay for her plane ticket and, you know, her lodging over there, but she was going there anyway. She wasn't going there for the bag. She had a great time with a bunch of people, and they just so happened to make their way to Louis Vuitton. So I didn't have to pay that airfare, and so you know what? I say 31%. Very happy. And also what happened there was my sister-in-law was limited to 2 items, and I believe 2 canvas items. The sales associate there even told her that her allowance for canvas items are completed for like the next 3 to 6 months, meaning she wouldn't be able to buy anything canvas anymore. I don't know if he meant like internationally or if that applied to the United States, since they were able to look up her account and they saw her whole purchase history from the United States. And he did even mention that if she bought something from the United States, like let's just say like a month ago, and it was like over a certain amount of canvas items, she wouldn't have been able to purchase these in London because she would have used up her allowance. If any of you guys have ever heard of that, let me know in the comments. That was really interesting. She assured me she didn't want anything, but I'm wondering if like Louis Vuitton's just really trying to push like their leather items, because I think he also mentioned that, saying there is no cap on leather items. So I don't know what's up with that. So my sister-in-law used up her canvas allowance for the next 6 months for me for these 2 items. She's the best. So I am so happy to add these 2 items to my collection. I am definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of this. I could already tell. It's a low maintenance bag, and like I said, I already kind of used it today and it fits a lot. Really happy about this, and then I can't wait to see what I can do with this, and hopefully it keeps me organized. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much. Bye. I can still smell the English tea. Pinkies out.